Nawab Khairbakhsh Mari was born in 1928 in Kahan region of Balochistan. His mother passed away when he was a child. After this tragedy, other elders of tribe took responsibility to look after him. He was named after his grandfather Sardar Khairbakhsh Mari. When he was 4 years old, his father Sardar Merullah Khan Mari passed away. Due to his small age, Sardar Doda Khan Mari, his uncle, was elected as the chieftain of Mari tribe. He received his early education in Kolu and higher education from HSN College, Lahore. At the age of 22, he was elected as the chieftain of his tribe. In 1950, Nawab Khairbakhsh Mari became politically active during Ayub Khan era. In 1960s, he disallowed Ayub regime to explore gas and oil in Mari tribal areas. During martial law, all tribal chiefs were asked to hand over their weapons to government. However, Baba Mari destroyed his weapons instead of submitting them to government, saying that it was an act of shame for him to hand over his weapons to government. During the 1960s, the administration destroyed fruit orchards of Khairbakhsh Mari. He won a parliamentary seat in the 1970s elections. NAP took power of Balochistan government in May 1972. Nawab Khairbakhsh Mari was serving as the head of NAP in Balochistan. In February 1973, Zulfikar Bhutto dismissed NAP government and launched military operations throughout Balochistan. Comrades of Baba and Shiru Mari started a guerrilla war against government. Nawab Mari was offered to be the CM Balochistan, but he refused the offer. His house in Kolu was burnt into ashes. He was arrested in Hyderabad conspiracy case. Nawab Mari was kept in jail till 1978. He was released from jail when Ziaullah came into power. He took a hard step and refused to negotiate with government. After 1978, he went on exile in Britain and France. Later, he joined his comrades in Afghanistan. However, in 1992, Taliban took over government in Afghanistan. Taliban began attacks on the camp of Mari tribe. Finding no support in Afghanistan, he along with his tribesmen returned back to Balochistan. Upon his return, he started a circle, Akhtawar, to reunite his comrades. He trained his companions politically and ideologically. The establishment knew what Nawab Mari was doing. In 2000, Khairbakhsh Mari, along with his 150 comrades, was arrested in Justice Nawaz Mari's murder case. He was asked to compromise on his hard stance and allow government to explore gas and petroleum in Kolu and Kahan. He refused and said this wealth belonged to Baloch nation. After 1973, he said goodbye to parliamentary politics and believed in armed struggle to get a separate nation state for Baloch nation. His son Balach Mari was killed during a gun battle with forces in 2007. He is said to be the founder of separatist banned armed organization BLA. Mari was of the view that Punjab wanted to control Balochistan's rich mineral resources. In a rare television interview in 2009, he said, "Personally, I have come to the conclusion that there can be no rapprochement with the Punjabis." He was an arrogant Baloch chieftain to some and a soft-spoken gentleman to others. Baba Mari passed away on 10 June 2014.